Hey guys, let's see today how to make a table on notes on iPhone. So guys, in order to make a table on notes, just go to notes app. Yeah, you can just see over here, just tap on it. And now from the notes, that app, you can see at the bottom, that right in the bottom corner, you can just see, just click on that pencil again. And now from here, you can just click on the icon, just table icon, just you can click on that. And from you can see over here, it's coming like 2 by 2. That means the 2 row, 2 column is coming. And yeah, if you want to add another row, just select that 3 vertical line, and from here guys, you can, yeah, that option is coming, add row and delete row. But if you want to add, yeah, so the 3 row is coming, 3 row 2 columns. And if you want to add columns, yeah, if you want to add column, yeah, just select that, and from here guys, just, yeah, add column, just select on that. So you can, now you can see 3 rows 3 columns is coming. This way guys, you can make a table on notes on iPhone. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.